and they're off. Discreet Cat breaking alertly, quickly in stride, but not asked for early speed. Rumzinga comes on through, so too Going Wild, and Account for the Gold. Flying Pegasus on the inside. Dark Cheetah will be the early trailer. Moving up the backstretch now, and Flying Pegasus comes through, a narrow lead. Account for the Gold is right there second. Going Wild is third. Rumspringa is now fourth. And then it's Dark Cheetah fifth toward the inside. Garrett Gomez wants Discreet Cat near the back early on, and he is there and on the outside. So they move down the backstretch after a quarter and 22 and 4/5 seconds. And the leader narrowly is Flying Pegasus. Account for the Gold is right there second. Going Wild is third. And an unhurried Discreet Cat is fourth on the outside, now beginning to advance with 3 furlongs to go. The half went in 45 and 2/5 seconds. And there goes Discreet Cat. And most willingly, Discreet Cat has taken the lead. He has done it very easily and will turn for home, widening away from this field at will. He's got a 3-length lead. Account for the Gold is second. Rumspringa trying to make a race of it on the far outside third as Dark Cheetah moves through on the inside fourth. Garrett Gomez is looking all over for competition, but there is absolutely no competition for this most intriguing 3-year-old. Discreet Cat glides under the wire, wins by more than a dozen effortless lengths over Account for Gold.